light and helps me find my way. You're the words when I have nothing to say. In this world,
We're gathered here today in the sight of heaven and as you as witnesses, as Brandon and Kara join their lives in marriage. We gather around them now in this wonderful place, and we look on with love and hope as these two strengthen their new life together. Marriage is a sacred institution in our culture. It's a tradition of partnership, of trust, of dependence on one another in navigating the sometimes stormy seas of life. People have said that marriage requires things like work, commitment, and sacrifice, and certainly all those things are true. However, no matter what it looks like in the end, a healthy marriage always needs a solid foundation with love.
the hand I have to hold as I grow old. You're the shore.
Brandon, do you take care to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor and cherish her, love until death do you part?
I do.
And Kara, do you take Brandon to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor and cherish him, love until death do you part?
I do.
Else is true. Here I am, still tangled up in you. I'm still tangled up in you. How long has it been since this storyline began? And I hope it never ends and goes like this forever. In this world where nothing else is true, here I am, still tangled up in you, tangled up in you.
I'm still tangled up in you.
I'm still tangled